So, welcome to Jim's Garage. What we're going to do today is just do some preventative maintenance. At the beginning of the season, it's time to think about riding. Got the 0S motorcycle. Going to do an oil change on it. Shouldn't take long. Get that ready, get it prepped, get it on the road. Odometer's got about 19,000 miles on it. I haven't changed the oil yet. Thinking it's right about time. I like to use a synthetic oil in this particular bottle is, well, it's diesel engine oil. And we sure do have a lot of that around. And I think that's a good product to use. It's been, diesels, they go like 1,000,000 miles. So this must be the right. It's going to be a really quick, simple change. But I like to prepare the area before I do that. So this is a really nice garage. I don't want to get oil all over the floor. So I like to lay down a trash bag. The really nice thing about laying down a trash bag is that if it gets all greasy and dirty, well, you're going to throw it away anyway. And all you got to do is turn it inside out. And then all the oil's on the inside. So just going to lay this thing down. Now, if you're really sloppy like some people, I'm not sloppy, you're going to want to put some newspapers down. And then the same principle applies as you just turn it inside out and all the dirt stays on the inside. So we're going to grab a motorcycle and we'll wheel it right over this. Today's motorcycle that we're working on, this is a 0 S motorcycle. And these are, I don't know, the kids got these all these days, so they're pretty popular. So I just set it right over. So next thing you're going to need is the right tools. You got the right oil, diesel oil, and then you got a lot of choices for tools. There's like getting the right size socket wrench, which I don't know what size to use yet, so I got them all. And if that doesn't work, I got a good set of pliers, high quality, and of course I always have a standby. The vice grips. So I like to go underneath with all of those because that just makes it all easier. Now, it's kind of hard to work underneath here. So I'm just going to drop my tools now and get myself a cart. Oh, these are awesome. It's really easy to get underneath. Real easy. No, ain't got no gloves on. But let's go get some gloves. Now, you don't have to use gloves like these every time you change the oil, but oil's nasty stuff. Gets all over, gets hard to clean off, and clothes end up dirty. So I like to have good set of gloves when I go underneath. Okay. Now let's just take the oil plug out and, well, I got the right sockets here. Turn my light on. Okay. I guess before you get all invested in something like this, changing oil, getting the oil and getting the drip pan, you should check the manual. Changing oil on a 0S motorcycle. I come back from reading the manual, and it turns out you don't have to change oil. And I got 19,000 miles on this, and I guess that's okay. Maybe tune in next week. We'll change the spark plugs in this thing. That'll be easy. It's right on top of the engine, no more crawling around underneath. So, That's all from Jim's garage.